Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to sign up for the Spark Driver app. First, take your phone and open your App Store. Search for Spark Driver and download the app. Once the app is installed, open it to begin enrollment. Next, you will create your account. Enter your email address, your full name, and create a password. This will be your Spark ID, so choose a password you can remember. After that, enter your phone number. A regular phone number works, and you can also use a Google Voice number if you prefer. Continue by agreeing to the terms of service, privacy policy, and text message consent. Now you will provide personal details for the background check. Enter your date of birth, social security number, driver's license information, and home address. After that, you will upload documents. Take clear photos of your auto insurance and your vehicle registration. Follow the instructions on the screen to upload them correctly. Next, set up how you want to get paid. You can choose direct deposit to your bank account or OnePay for faster access to your earnings. Follow the steps to complete the payment setup. Once everything is submitted, your application will be reviewed. When you are approved, you will be able to start accepting delivery offers. Thanks for watching.